In last class, we saw the concept of problems on trains. Now we will solve some problems on trains. A train 135-meter long is running with speed of 54 km per hour. In what time it will cross a telegraph post? So if a train crosses a man or a tree or a pole which is in a vertical direction or which is a stationary object, then we can say that problem belongs to type 1. So here what's the formula we can use? Train speed is equal to train length divided by time. So from the problem, train speed is 54 km per hour equal to train length 135 meters divided by, we have to calculate the time value, how much time it will take to cross a telegraph post. Now train length is in meters, time is in seconds, speed is in kilometer per hour. Convert this kilometer per hour to meter per second, multiply by 5 by 18. So 54 into 5 by 18 equal to train length 135 meters divided by time. Because left and right hand side, train length is in meters, time value it is in seconds. So we are converting that kilometer per hour to meter per second. And by simplifying, we will get that time equal to 9 seconds. So it will take 9 seconds to cross a telegraph post. Next, move on to second problem. A train 110 meters in length travels at 60 km per hour. In what time will it pass a man who is walking against the train at 6 km per hour? So train is moving in one direction, man is also moving in same direction. In what time will pass a man who is walking against the train? So it means that train and man both are moving in opposite direction. So if a train and man moving in opposite direction, if two objects are moving in opposite direction, relative speed is s1 plus s2 equal to, so here only one train is there, train length divided by time. If two trains are moving in opposite direction, in place of distance we have to write L1 plus L2. We have to add the two trains length. But here train crosses a man. Train and man moving in opposite direction. In place of length, in place of train length, in place of distance we have to write only train length. So train speed 60 km per hour and man speed 6 km per hour. Together 66 km per hour equal to, and train length 110 meters divided by time. We have to calculate the time. How much time it will take to cross a man who is moving in opposite direction. So here also train length is in meters, time is in seconds. We have to convert that kilometer per hour to meter per second, multiply by 5 by 18. So 66 into 5 by 18 equal to 110 divided by t. Now by simplifying that one, we'll get that t equal to 6 seconds. So it takes 6 seconds to cross a man who is moving in opposite direction with 6 km per hour. Next, third problem. A train 110 meters long travels at 60 km per hour. How long does it take to cross another train 170 meter long running at 54 km per hour in same direction? So if two trains or two objects are moving in same direction, relative speed is s1 minus s2 equal to s1 minus s2 equal to, so if two trains are moving in same direction or opposite direction, in place of distance we have to write two trains length should be added, L1 plus L2 divided by time. So one train speed is 60 km per hour, another train speed is 54 km per hour. So 60 minus 54, 6 km per hour equal to train length 110 plus 170, altogether 280 divided by time. So convert that kilometer per hour to meter per second. 6 into 5 by 18 equal to 280 divided by t. So by simplifying, we will get that t equal to 168 seconds. So it take 168 seconds. It will take 168 seconds to cross two trains. The two trains are moving in same direction. It will take 168 seconds to cross each other. Next, fourth problem. Find length of the bridge which a train 130-meter long traveling at 45 km per hour crosses in 30 seconds. So train crosses a bridge, or train crosses a platform, train crosses a tunnel. So in that case we have to use formula S equal to L plus B divided by T. L plus B divided by T. So S is the train length, sorry, S is train speed, L is train length, and B is the platform length or bridge length. So train speed is equal to, they give the train speed, that is 45 km per hour, equal to train length 130 meters, and we have to calculate the bridge length or platform length. 130 plus B divided by, it will take 30 seconds time, 30. So train length and bridge length is in meters, time is in seconds. Convert that kilometer per hour to meter per second, multiply by 5 by 18. So 45 into 5 by 18 equal to 130 plus B, 130 plus B divided by 30. So 375 equal to 130 plus B. Just by cross multiplying we will get the 375 value. 375 equal to 130 plus B. Then B equal to 375 minus 130, that is 245 meters. So we got that bridge length is 245 meters. Next problem. A train running at 20 km per hour takes 12 seconds to pass a platform. Next, it will take 6 seconds to pass a man walking at 4 km per hour in opposite direction. So sometimes they will give combination of two types. So here train crosses a platform and train crosses a man. So it means the same train crosses a man walking in opposite direction. So if train crosses a platform or a bridge or a tunnel, means what is the formula we have to use? S equal to L plus B divided by T. S equal to L plus B divided by T. Then train, so here we will take it as train length is S1. Then train and man moving in opposite direction. So if two trains are train and man moving in opposite direction, means relative speed is S1 plus S2 equal to L divided by T. So here S1 is train speed and S2 is man speed. So train speed 20 km per hour equal to L plus B divided by T. L plus B divided by T. So here two unknown variables are there, L and B. Then we will move on to second condition. Train speed is 20 km per hour and man speed is 4 km per hour. So together 24 equal to train length. We have to find out the train length divided by, it will take how many seconds to cross a man? 6 seconds. So train length is in meters, time is in seconds. Convert this 24 km per hour to meter per second. 24 into 5 by 18 equal to L by 6. So finally we'll get that L value, L equal to 40 meters. L equal to 40 meters. Now substitute this L value in first equation here. So 20 into 5 by 18, we are converting kilometer per hour to meter per second. 20 into 5 by 18 equal to train length. We got the train length is 40 meters divided 40 meters plus bridge length we have to calculate divided by how many seconds it is taking, 12 seconds. So 20 into 5 by 18 equal to 40 plus b divided by 12. Just by simplifying that one, you will get that b equal to 200 by 3 meters. So length of the platform is 200 by 3 meters. Okay. So like that they will give combination of 2 types or 3 types. So by reading the problem, first analyze that problem belongs to which type and what are the formulas we have to use, and substitute the values in the formulas, you will get answer. Okay. Thank you.